Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do curved text in Canva Mobile. If you head over to the Canva app, press the plus button at the bottom of the screen. I'm just going to press presentation for the sake of this video. And if you swipe down with the template, we're just going to use our blank template here. Come down to the bottom capital T where it says text there. So we're just going to add a heading, and I'm just going to write curved. Hit the cross button on the right, and then what we're going to do is highlight the text, and then we are just going to scroll along until we come across effects. And then at the bottom you can see it says style and shape. So if we press shape, you've then got the option for the curve there. So if you tap on that again, and then you can enhance the amount of curved and also change the direction of the curved as well. So as you can see, we've curved up and then we have curved down as well. So if you hit the cross, and there you go. You can also then make it bigger if you want to by highlighting the text, come across to font size, and then you can press and hold it down and make your text bigger. You can also change the colour by coming down to press the colour button here and then choosing any colour that you wish. And that's it, guys. That is how to make curved text in Canva on the mobile app. I hope that you guys found this video useful. If you could give us a like and a subscribe, that would be amazing. And I'll catch you guys in the next